Students, today we are going to learn the remaining part of 18th lesson, simple and complex to compound. Okay, look here, we want to convert simple sentence or complex sentence into compound sentence. While we are making or transforming one sentence into another, that means when we are going to transfer or change one sentence into compound, that time we use coordinating conjunctions. With the help of coordinating conjunctions, we can make compound sentence. Okay, compound means Sayukta Vakya. Look here, combine the following simple sentences to form a single compound sentence. We want to form or prepare. Form is prepare. Remember this, form a single compound sentence. A single compound sentence. Look here, the first sentence is here. The house was very expensive. Full stop. It is one simple sentence. And then another sentence. He could not buy it. It is another simple sentence. We want to join these two simple sentences into a combined sentence. Okay, so that we can use here one coordinating conjunctions to make two simple sentence or convert two simple sentence into one compound sentence. Okay, look here, we can write here the same sentence into compound. Okay, the house was very expensive. The first sentence as it is, the house was very expensive, comma. Okay, look here, here is the full stop. We want to convert that full stop into comma. Okay, comma, and we attach here so. Okay, we use here coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions means for the conjunctions that we join together equal parts. So, okay, we use here coordinating conjunction, that is so. Okay, first we put here comma and then we use here coordinating conjunction so, and then the remaining sentence. So he could not buy it, according to this sentence meaning, and it is a compound sentence. I hope you understand. Okay, now the second thing. The swine sprang up to its feet, full stop. It began to run away hurriedly. Okay, look here, in this sentence we also want to use coordinating conjunctions. With the help of coordinating conjunctions, we can make two simple sentences into one compound. Okay, the first one is, look here, the sentence, the swine sprang up to its feet. Okay, and then we use here and this coordinating conjunction, and it began to run away hurriedly. Okay, full stop. In this way we can convert the simple sentence into compound sentence. Now the third sentence is here. The sun has gone down. Okay, the sun has gone down. Full stop. Then the farmers are still toiling. Toiling means hard working. Okay, hard working, working hard, like that. Okay, the sun has gone down. Okay, the sun has gone down, comma. Look here, we use here comma. But the farmers are still toiling. That means hard work. That meaning, okay, hard work or hard working, like this. Okay, the similar meaning of that word. I hope you understand. We use here coordinating conjunction, that is but. Okay, 7 coordinating conjunctions used to make compound sentence. Okay. Now the fourth sentence is here. Look here. She spent the night on the coat. Okay. She spent the night on the coat with a single bin under it. Full stop. Her back had turned black and blue by morning. These are the two simple sentences, and we want to convert or change that simple sentence into compound sentence. Okay. Look here. We write here the first sentence as it is. She spent the night on the coat with a single bin under it, comma. We use here comma. Okay, instead of full stop. Here is full stop. Look here. Okay, and we use here comma. Comma 8. Look here, we use here coordinating conjunction, that is 8. 8, her back had turned black and blue by morning. In this way we can, by using coordinating conjunctions, we can make simple sentence into compound sentence. Okay, now the fifth sentence is here. Look here. God made man, full stop. Man made languages, full stop. And languages created barriers. Okay, these are the three simple sentences. We want to convert that simple sentences into compound sentence. So look here. God made man, but man made languages, and languages created barriers. In this sentence we use here but, these coordinating conjunctions also, and these coordinating conjunctions to form a compound sentence. Okay, God made man, but we use here coordinating conjunction but man made languages, and then we also use here second coordinating conjunction, and the languages created barriers. In this way we can convert the simple sentence into compound sentence. I hope you can easily understood the whole thing related with this topic. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.